How can I integrate the Google Meet session in my course? Hi, welcome back to Estatoora LMS tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to integrate the Google Meet session in your course. At Estatoora LMS, you can directly add Google Meet session inside the LMS. You don't have to go through the long process of creating a session in your calendar or Google Meet web app, then copy and paste it in the LMS. If you are an Estatoora LMS paid subscriber, you can also sync your Google Meet recordings in the LMS with just one click. You can add Google Meet in your course by clicking the Turn Editing on. Select the topic you want to put your Google Meet session, then click Add Activity or Resource. Look for the Google Meet icon and click it. In the configuration page, enter the room name. You can also include a description for your Google Meet session and tick Display Description on course page if you want to show it. You may also enter the date and time of the Google Meet session. In the Recurrence of the Event Date option, you can set repetition the same session in the specific day, every how many week and until when it will be activated. Next is to generate room URL to have automatic Google Meet link session. In the notification, you can tick the Send Notification to Student and set how many minutes before the meeting will start. In Common Module Setting, you can set the availability if you want to show it in your course or hide it from the student. You can also add access restriction, tags, and competencies. After setting up the Google Meet activity, you can now click Save and Display button. And that's it! You have successfully integrated a Google Meet session in your course. Now that you learned how to integrate the Google Meet session in your course, you can now move on to the next video or find out more in the LMS course documentation. Thank you!